Hello, beautiful viewers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore natural and effective remedies for enhancing your beauty. With summer in full swing, it's time to give your skin some extra TLC and achieve that radiant summer glow. In today's video, we will share 5 home remedies that will help you attain and maintain gorgeous, glowing skin throughout the sunny season. Let's get started. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. The key to healthy and glowing skin lies in staying well hydrated. In the scorching summer heat, it's crucial to drink an adequate amount of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day to flush out toxins and maintain skin elasticity. To enhance the detoxification process, infuse your water with slices of refreshing fruits like cucumber, lemon, or mint leaves. Exfoliation for radiance. Exfoliation is an essential step in any skincare routine, especially during summer. Gently removing dead skin cells allows your skin to breathe and reveals a fresh, glowing complexion. Create a homemade exfoliating scrub using natural ingredients like sugar, honey, and lemon juice. Gently massage the scrub onto your face and body in circular motions, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Remember to exfoliate no more than twice a week to avoid irritation. Cooling face masks. Summer heat can leave your skin feeling tired and dull. Combat this by pampering your skin with cooling face masks. Aloe vera gel, known for its soothing properties, can be applied directly to the skin or mixed with a few drops of rose water for added freshness. Cucumber slices or grated cucumber mixed with yogurt also make an excellent cooling mask. Apply these masks for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off with cold water to reveal revitalized and glowing skin. Protect with sunscreen. No summer skincare routine is complete without sunscreen. Shielding your skin from harmful UV rays not only prevents sunburn, but also helps maintain a youthful glow. Opt for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with a high SPF and apply it generously to all exposed areas of your body. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Remember, sunscreen is your best defense against premature aging and skin damage. Nourish from within. A healthy diet is as important for your skin as it is for your overall well-being. Incorporate skin-friendly foods into your meals, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that promote healthy skin. Include foods like tomatoes, berries, spinach, almonds, and avocados in your diet to enhance your skin's natural radiance. There you have it, 5 simple yet effective home remedies to achieve and maintain glowing skin throughout the summer months. Remember to drink plenty of water, exfoliate regularly, indulge in cooling face masks, protect your skin with sunscreen, and nourish your body from within. By following these natural remedies, you'll be well on your way to flaunting radiant and healthy skin all summer long. Stay beautiful, and we'll see you in the next video.